Okay, okay.
Let's see if we drive.
Let's see. Hello, hello. Checking my voice. Okay, we good. Okay. We are now live.
What's goody, gang?
Put some music on and let's get ready to work.
Yes, sir.
What is up? There we go. Everything is good. Alright, cool.
Yeah, there we go. I think he's driving lower.
I just said we're online. It's a 4 hour there.
Dude, I've been getting tagged so much ever since Apex has been sending those emails out. Like, people are like adding me like I have some type of like influence to it. Like, bro, what? Like, bro, what?
They're like, Leto, what should we do?
Bro, they're like, dude.
Some people ask me about it too. I'm like, I haven't got the email. I've seen a handful. It's like, it's probably like 10% of people or less at this point. Like, some people are making like, oh, 90% of people got the email. Like, everyone, a lot of my Discord, only a few got it out of hundreds of traders that trade with Apex still.
Yeah.
So they sent the follow-up email, explain their whatever they're trying to do, or what they need to, the person need to abide by. I have no idea what it is. But I don't know. I guess at the end of the day, if they don't want to do business with that person, I would like to give them more of a reason. Because it's all speculation. Some people are saying like, oh, it's because they are too profitable. Others like, oh, it's because you're violating some rules, or do something like that. Like, if anyone in the chat, if you guys got, can you elaborate, maybe your situation on this? It's kind of all speculation here.
Yeah, I mean, dude, it's just so weird because I don't know how to feel about what they're doing here, because it's not like they're doing everyone like you mentioned, but I don't know. We'll see how it affects. At the same part, like they're supposedly testing people to go on live, but they're losing revenue by stopping evals, which tells you, right? Half of it says, like, I don't know, this may be a little sus. Half of it says, like, they still might be really good in cash flow if they're canceling evals from traders, right? Because their business models, a lot of what they make off of profit-wise is through evals. So if they're stopping that for some traders, it's like, okay, so they still might be good cash flow-wise. We'll see.
I just want to know their reasoning more so.
Yeah.
Let's see the chat. When is your first request with TradeFi? James asked. I should log it too. Basically, I have one fully qualified. The other one I could just work to get. Their payout window is 1st of October. Just like Apex, just like I guess Apex is the only one with the payout window. So yeah, we're at 9,500, 9,600 on discount, and then we're at 5K at discount. So this one's close as well. Um, yeah, payout window. I missed it. I missed the last one. I think till 18th. I was like 2 days off or something at the time.
Yep.
Rumor is only 0.5% of Apex traders got the email. 0.5% of people out of their, what is it, like 200,000 users. That's a very small number, like 1% of people, or 1,000 traders out of 200K. But if you look on Twitter, it sounds like everyone's getting it.
Yo.
Yeah, Desi's here. What's up? Nutty said he talked to people on Apex. See, if anyone has inside info, ask him. Then if he has info, me and Leto literally know nothing.
Yeah.
What you guys think? Higher or lower?
I need a sec. I think Leto wants low, right?
Yeah, it really depends what we do off this low here. That it'll dictate my PM bias.
We have a 5-minute gap here that's been holding all day. So if that goes inversion, I would look. My bias is gonna change to downside.
How early?
This is from way earlier.
I mean, at least right now, it looks lower for me too.
It's from 4:50 a.m. Early.
Yeah, I think I do like lower now.
Relative equal high, that's 16. Yeah, I was looking for higher all day today. Like I had some inversions marked out, but they never had inversions, so like much.
Someone said, JT said, it says in the email, they're stopping people from buying eval who are being observed to go live. Oh, okay, so maybe they're trying to, some firms do have that where like once you get switched to live, you're not really allowed to do more funded or simulation. You just stay unfunded. Maybe that's their route too. Have you tried FTT?
Yeah, Twitter,
I'm on it.
Twitter's been kind of whack about the Apex situation. Or, like,
Twitter always hate Apex though, but they plug like their firm.
Yeah, they
like,
keep
I like
trading
this
it.
I like this for.
Yeah, dude, it's so stupid.
That's why I keep on saying, man, like, I don't even care what everyone thinks about whatever firm. I'm just gonna trade all of them. I don't want to put any personal bias or anything in. Alright, let me connect my Ninja. Yeah, I'm trying FPG as well. They're having issues, but I'm close to payout. Like, if they just pay me out, it'd be nice.
So you requested on FTT?
Oh no, it's Top Step's better.
Top Step is goated. No hassle, Top Step.
They'll never have, like, if they have issues, they always resolve it, and they have little to no issues.
Yeah.
Like that.
Top Step for sure should be a must-to start.
Text goated. I don't care what anyone says. Call me Glazer. I don't care. Text goated.
They're like, you a Top Step show. You could do a lot with Top Step too, just with 5 counts too.
You don't have this fugazi back and forth like you have on Apex.
The rule where you can't scale into trade while being observed or live. That's why I read. I think you can't DCA anymore, like even one time, and also you have to no more mental stops, I believe. So maybe that 0.5% of people aren't the top traders, that they just now added more rules just to make sure you're clean. I haven't traded yet. Desi, have you been trading today?
I haven't taken a single thing. I have some inversions lined up, but we never got it. So I was bearish early, then we moved up, and then I was looking for longs at the equal highs we had left. Never got entry for anything.
And I got my
I
take
think I'm gonna take
trader.
a chance if we get an inversion here on the 1 minute.
Let me see.
It's like a B. I'll say it's like a B setup.
We have some breads equal highs up there. I think I'm.
If we
15
inverse this
minute.
5 minute we're bouncing from, then I'm gonna look for London lows.
I probably just let things play out until I see something more clean. Let's just see if we get a nice setup and then be done.
Dude, this is so pissed, bro. Hopefully this clears up. Dude, this reminds me of November 2022, right here. Okay.
Got PTSD from that shit.
Y'all reference the 5 minute real quick on NQ or ES. Tell me this is extremely tradable conditions.
Probably chop a little bit more, but I think I would like a shot up, retrace a little bit higher before moving lower.
Alright, check out group chat.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, the email only got 2.5% of people out of all their users.
Is there any benefits for live?
Wait,
I
really?
don't
Are
know.
you sure, Brian?
That's what someone
Bro,
got info from Apex management.
so many people in my court got it. So many.
Like 10, 20,
Watch, I'll do it.
50?
Just curious.
Yeah, you do a poll. We do a poll in the YouTube chat too.
Like a lot of people just be saying shit to say shit.
Yeah, this is some people just like, yeah, I got that too.
deadass,
Fuck
bro.
Apex.
Oh man.
Honestly, for my Discord, probably like 5 people got it out of hundreds of people.
That email a good or bad thing? I don't even know really.
I
think
it's
it's-
good, right?
I mean, by limiting, like, it's more limiting than benefits, unless they talk about any benefits. Alright, I just made a poll in the chat, guys. Please answer honestly. This could be useful information.
Time to spread misinformation.
But like the email is gonna just spread everywhere. And like I see some people in the comments or here's some posted like, oh, I heard 90% of traders are getting this email. It's like, where did they get this info?
I want to see that SMT flip, bro, but if I go long, bro, ES.
I'm about to check out. Like, if we don't get like any type of move here within the next 10 minutes or some shit, I think I'm closing all my brokers.
Which is his vibe out.
Yeah, so you set up on NQ. I mean, I don't know. I look to take ES, honestly. Unless you see a flip. Unless you're expecting that.
I don't like these slow grinds either way.
Yeah, because look at NQ, bro.
I
It's
get
just-
entries.
right now, 13 people have not. 7 people have in my court. They're just, bro, they're being lazy and not reacting to the poll.
I made a poll on YouTube. It's all good. Wait, what'd your poll look like? You did a Discord?
Yeah, it's like
7
14,
people.
Yeah, dude, no one's fucking voting. They're being lazy.
There's already 56 votes on the stream right now. It's an 89% no, about 10% say yes. So we got like 6 out of 60 so far. Let's see, Tradeify. If Tradeify follows through, it's hard to beat. I think, yeah, Tradeify is looking pretty good.
Tradeify said it's a glitch. What glitch? Huh?
The email. The email, there's no more
Is it actually?
emails. Well, that's what I assumed at first, but they sent an official email to those
So
who
why would
died.
why would they make that email in the first place?
Yeah, so it's not a glitch though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It was probably before the email, you know, like because I even said like, oh, it's probably a glitch. You're probably fine. I said that like before the email came out. But so it's a real thing. Apex don't play games, I guess.
Yeah, ES is definitely holding low a little bit better.
I think we can get a move back up for retrace.
Yeah, if it's a true internal day, that's what we do.
Yeah, I did see something though. Do you trade crude oil? No, man, I just trade one thing is NQ and ES. One thing I will say though, if you guys are too like scared to trade a firm, maybe just it's best to go with the most trusted one like Top Step or like where there's a place where there's no problems, no delays, no nothing like that. Or
almost like it's almost like people have a choice to trade good
yeah.
firms instead
Or
of
you can
bashing
just-
on the ones that they don't
You could be diversified though too. Like so, that's like two choices you make if you want to be like kind of responsible in that case. You diversify or you avoid firms that are having a lot of issues and just trade with the real firms, the trusted one. Even FTT lately has been having a lot of issues like with their platforms, lots of delays. Some people don't like that either. What's this poll? It's an Apex eval that's saying no more evals. Or an Apex email saying like you can't purchase any more evals. It came out I think last night or something.
Yeah.
Have I traded FTT? If you look at my Twitter, I posted like my logs for it. I'm like 6-7K profits on it. I just started. And they got funded with Take Profit Trader last Friday too, so we'll get that going. See what happened in there.
Let me get him.
Why did my dashboard for FTT on Friday did not update? It shows a blank day. It's interesting. Any YouTubers get the email? I haven't seen. I haven't heard.
Apex wants to lose money, they could put me on live, bro. I got him. Dude, Apex is still my worst performing firm out of all of them.
It's because they're daily drawdown, that's what it is. A trade drawdown. That shit's so hard to get over.
I haven't
What's
traded
it
that shit in 3 months, bro. I just activated some today. We'll see how it goes. Let's go log some trades. Hit the next window.
I think you can hit it if you start today.
Yeah.
It's like 10 days. Little pop there.
Oh.
Version here. This is what I'm gonna take. This is what I'm trying to take.
Dude, if everything is fine with all the firms, I do my requests with TradeFi, Fast Track Trading, Apex, all October 1st. We'll see. See if they pay out. Yeah, so poll show 127 votes so far. About 13% said they did get the email.
Good pop. See, I'm not even trolling. I'd beat your stop now at this point. Just because of price? I'm not even kidding. You're green. I'd beat your stop. This price is so bad.
It is pretty bad, man. What did you take the inversion long, or what did you go for?
Yeah, I think he took, if I'm not mistaken, 1 p.m. inversion.
Yeah, I see. No. Just took that relative high there. We could probably just shot back and forth though.
Yeah.
Look at chat. That's
Your YouTube chat? Let me see.
nah, the group chat.
He didn't say anything.
He's locked.
I know.
How do you get 2 time frames on one chart, like the right panel? 2 time frames on the right. Oh, these candles here? This is a 50-minute candle here. Yeah, just go on my Discord. Everything's pinned in the general chat. All the indicators. I do think we move higher before retracing.
Ooh.
Lower. Oh, there we go.
Hey.
Sharp move. That was a very sharp move. I think lower overall though, just because the 50-minute is showing lower. And the hourly too, we made an hourly fair value gap, dip down, retrace into it, rejected from it. Nothing really tells the upside unless like the 1 minute so far.
I'm gonna look to take this if we get good confirmation of this 1 minute inversion. If not, I'm probably gonna sit out for the day. So we're truly internal. We'll trade back up, but I need price to confirm it.
Yeah. Very rarely do I go for a big day on Mondays anyways. Take a base hit day if I can. Is there any other news coming up? We do hit FMC already. We took a lot of these daily or higher time frame liquidity targets. What else do we have? 9:45 news today, 9 a.m. tomorrow, nothing on Wednesday. And then Thursday we have GDP, unemployment claims, 8:30, and then Powell starts speaking again just 10 minutes before market opens, and ended with the core piece price index.
You guys, for me at least, whenever it comes to judging a firm, I think the number one thing is just recognize, just go back and simplify, like just use like caveman knowledge. What's the whole point of a firm? You pay a fee to borrow their capital, to use their capital. That's the only thing that you should have to worry about when it comes to trading a firm. All these different bullshit rules like Apex throws out to you should not be a thing. And you look at like firms across the board. I feel like TopStep's the best in that because
They're pretty
you
free.
have the least. It's so like you give them money, you pay them money, and they give you capital. It's obviously semi-count, but they give you capital to trade off of. And you have to worry about nothing on a funded account but making money. That's it. Because your approval will get accepted regardless, and you have no consistency fee. Apex, you have to follow these rules and all do these different things, which trading itself is already hard enough. Like, you know, theoretically it's 50-50, right? So that in enough is already hard enough, and then now you have to follow these certain rules, and it's just stupid.
Yeah.
That's what I reference it as.
If you're,
Whatever.
yeah, I guess if you're just willing to go through it, that's why they have 20 accounts, and it is pretty lucrative. But if you haven't done TopStep is just very reputable, no hassle, no delays, no nothing. They don't care as long as you got balance on it. You'll get their payout probably within at most like 3 days of requests. Usually just like in 1 day.
DC could buy sequence off the school at university that I looked to take, but aside from that, I'm just chilling. You gotta just when you're on a firm, it has to
TopStep
be like
doesn't allow PH. What does that mean? I think my mic just or my headset just died.
power hour. Wait, what does PH stand for?
Let me
'Cause they
plug
do
it
allow
up.
power hour.
Well, can you guys hear me now?
Yeah.
She was muted and then I tried unmuting and it still didn't work.
Oh, the country, bro. Oh, I was about to say power PH. Yeah. TopStep's the best though. I think like I'm not even kidding. Like move to America just for TopStep. Imagine. Nah, but they just make it the like seeming. What's the word? Seamless or whatever it's called. I don't know what the word is here to describe it. They just make the experience super easy. Like you get on the firm, you have no concern about anything. The only thing you have to worry about is the consistency rule on the evaluation. Once you pass the evaluation, there are 0 rules on a funded. 0 aside from daily drawdown and the scaling plan, obviously, which is smart of them. Aside from that.
Honestly, it feels like TopStep is the firm that actually wants traders to succeed versus.
Bro, yes,
a lot of
bro,
other
yes.
firms. Like, I genuinely feel like I'm not playing against any type of. Like,
Yeah.
It's not like house versus gambler or whatever. It's like it actually like feels like it's even playing field. Like they give you a lot of drawdown. You have option to change your drawdown if you want.
Yeah.
Off rip. A lot of leniency across the board, like Lance probably mentioned already.
Yeah.
It's just I don't see any issues with it. The second closest, like I said, I would say to my funded futures, but TopStep definitely has the edge.
Okay, I'm back. Mic just
Yeah, bro. Like they even have a risk management department. Think about that, right? Like they have a risk where they personally call up traders and like try to give them quote unquote advice, obviously, but it's just like they actually care for their people, which is good. And you can tell their track record because they're one of the longest ongoing firms. So, you know, you have Apex, where their startup was, 2-3 years ago. And you see TopStep that are, 11 plus years old. There's a difference, right? But the CEO, like, Patek all around seems like a decent person.
Yeah, it seems like.
Because he's on live every day with his, like, he's very involved with what he does. You look at Martin, I gotta restrict. You look at Martin, and he's just, he could run the back office, sure, like, he could just not be talking, he could run, like, the whole entire operation, but you have to come out as the CEO, as Matt Leach does, as what's his name, Scott from FTT does. Like, you see that every CEO involved extremely with their firm, except Apex CEO.
Yeah.
He's on Facebook just posting cowboy photos, that's what he's doing. No hate.
Who brought up ETF? Why is he in chat right now? Someone's talking
They're talking about how they hate their traders.
Oh, they do. I was gonna just jump in and add some feel to that.
Daryl's active on Facebook. Boy, I think we need to make a Facebook account.
He's talking on Facebook?
That's
Bro,
what chat said.
I might dumb down to micros if I take this.
Are you looking at the inversion? Or like the 123 one?
No, the 1 o'clock one.
1 o'clock.
I mean, we kind of been
Oh,
down
yeah.
I guess. But I actually I like your setup a lot, Jesse. I think this could go. I just need.
Dude, no, I took my setup. I closed it early for 10 points, or for down 10 points. I was out of there.
Yeah.
You wouldn't have hit my stop. I'm not dealing with this price action. I already closed out my charts.
Yep.
And my
Very fair.
trade debate. These are the type of days I'm gonna keep going back and forth, and I already know how it's gonna end up.
You see these candles here? That's why I always love closes. It's because you see that candle flip right there. Closes really tell you.
At this point, just go for the London low.
Yeah.
Price is kind of stagnant.
I mean, bro, everyone's goal though should be theoretically like, and I hate. Listen, like, I'm neutral. This is like, firms might hate me for saying this, but I mean they're not listening probably. But your goal with prop firms is to just like the whole point of prop firms. It should be a stepping stone for what you're trying to do later on in your career, which is you're trying to garner capital by just getting payouts now, and just build up. Keep refining your skill set and also scale up, and eventually carry over to a live account. That's the goal.
Yeah.
If you don't do that already. That's what I use it as personally, right? So, 2-3 years down the line, 4 years down the line, I'm not going to be trading prop firms that much. You're going to have your money on your live account and just look for, 0.5% a day on your portfolio on average.
This is so choppy, man, back and forth.
Dude, ES is holding low better.
Yeah, it has been.
NQ is offering the setup. ES is holding low better. Might execute on ES.
Push. I see what I want to do. Try to join in. That 15-minute is probably the draw right now on a ES and Q. Some relative equal highs up there too.
Yeah, if we're truly internal today, we'll see a flip back up here into the range. If that's what the objective for today is being internal all day.
At the bottom of the megaphone right now. Bouncing.
Let's see if this drives it to TP. I'm in micros. Took a little earlier. My fill was the 132 candle on ES. 769.5. Basically the top of the candle.
Let's see it, chat.
So, Desi, someone said, does this megaphone stuff work in my chat?
Seeking short condition, that's all it is. And then once we get a break out of the megaphone, usually we create an order block, we tap back into order block and have distribution.
Is that an ICT reference? Or
Yeah, actually, it's broad information. It is.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah. So I've never used it before. And it... Come on, drive here. Come on, Pumpy. Take profit 1 for me is 77 or 772. So about 3 points TP1. Nothing crazy, but I'll take.
Are you targeting that ES 15-minute gap?
Yeah, I think the 15 minutes is a good draw. Pusher.
Attack it.
There we go. Good drive. Boom. GP1 secured. B stop.
Alright.
Yeah, that internal high on ES where I just took profit off of. I literally went, bro, I went down on micros. Like, usually a full-size trade for me is like 5-6 minis. I'm literally trading micros. Like, that's how bad prices today, but it's more so price delivery that throws me off. I thought draw and the entry model were nice. Price was just throwing me off, so I took risk off.
Trades by AZ asks, anyone know if I can get more accounts with my footed features in my family name? That sounds like you might get banned. You gotta find out who you
That's
are.
a one-way ticket to get banned.
Prob's still gonna be the best. I agree, but if you're at the next level, I don't think because props essentially, I mean, if they change the rulebook in the future, if they increase like the industry standard where they have capped unlimited payouts for every firm, because like with Top Step, your cap's 50K per account, so you're limited essentially. It's still a really good amount of money, but if you're trying to like take the next step where you're trying to make more money, I think it's out of firms. Because if you make enough money off firms, you toss some of that into a lab account. You can make what you're making off firms now without any restrictions. Right, so that's the ultimate goal.
I haven't hit that 15-minute Ferrari yet.
I'm only looking. I'm gonna play short if you do guys.
Internal.
The London lows look too sus. I want to see what ES does at the 15 minute gap. Do we leave equal highs on ES?
Yeah. Wait, why is my trade cover bugging here? I'm trying this unicorn here on an ES. Trade copy's bugging though.
These are like 50. These are. I took like 4 trades today. Bro, these are all like scalps, bro. There's no follow through at all.
What is my thing doing? Can't copy trade on my Apex account. It's so weird. What the heck? Alright, yeah. I want to see if this can push higher though.
It's a good try. I'm not touching this anymore. But I do like the setup you're looking at. Proceed on.
Just back up entry here. I'm gonna see if I add long entries if it does want to hold. So still want a 15-minute tap. We can just run it and move lower. It's fine with me too. move on ES or NQ as well. Got that. Looking for a run back up there. I like ES a little
They
bit
should
stronger.
deliver to the high here.
Yeah, both of them are holding nicely now, but ES is just holding much. They're just more bullish than the NQ. Like that instead. Looking pretty good though.
You're still holding that same 1 minute gap, yeah. You execute or you take?
Yeah, I took on this stream here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I see. Good shit.
Took on NQ here too. One on NQ. See if we can take the high.
Yeah, I want to see us drive over that swing high, that relative high, and just impulse over.
66, 67 relative equal high, and then 80s.
BRB, one second, guys.
Push here, guys. Looking for NQ to take out 6 3s here too.
BRB, I'm gonna warm up my tea.
Sit up. Got locked in today because today is not that clean, if I'm honest. It's a very difficult price action and can't be lazying around. Let's see. Let's lock in. Good find the retap too, so I like the internal targets right now. I do believe we moved to 72s here. And then we can see from there. We can reject from there. I'll actually flip my bias, short-term bias for move lower. But it's kind of stagnant around here now. Still looking for that press higher. But I get the first move on E and Q here. Just want 63s, so I can take out my last entry on my copy trader. Almost there right now. I just have a 63.5 if it does want to hit. And on ES, we're just looking for take of these relative highs here, pop in that 15-minute, and then we'll see if we do want to flip short or if it presses through it. Lots of chop going on here. Just back and forth. Trying to get a 30-point exit on ES or NQ. If it does take out this high, we have some relative highs here too. Straight back down. Yeah. Lots of chop here. I took partials on NQ off of try to hold this last one to 63 if I can. And so we're still green on this here. While also green on ES. Very, very slow now. Slow down a lot. Straight back down. $15 here, so we got the 10 a.m. opening right here. Sitting back at open, Yeah, I would see NQ pop back up 65. Whoa.
I think we drive higher. I think price is just it's just doing what it's been doing all day, which is just no follow through.
Yeah, it's lots of back and forth.
It'll just be a slow grinder up, but I do think we drive higher. It's annoying because if you install like
There's
mechanical
no
risk
entry.
approach,
Yeah, exactly. You're getting cooked.
you go in the money for a little bit, boom, break even. In the money, break even. In the money, break even.
Yeah, taking base
Oh,
hits
no.
would be good. Are you gonna trade now? Look at screen. I have it on Q and ES right now. I'm looking for a pop to this 15-minute on ES here. And same thing with NQ. Looking to take out these internal highs. Just lots of chop. I'm flipping through time frames on the 1, 5, and 15 just to see where we close. We're getting a nice move right there. Got my exit on NQ. ES is looking to take it for about 5 points here. First move, looking pretty good, and boom, boom, boom. About 30 points on NQ there. Just took it out.
There it is, baby.
There it is.
Yes, sir.
Bro, we haven't even hit the 15-minute relax. This shit comes down, I'm blaming Lanto.
Buddy, Brian's green, that's all that matters. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah,
But
took an NQ too on my copy
that's
here.
his price today. That's literally the state of price today. You'll see that happen.
Mm-hmm.
It'll just drive to TP, then you'll see a sharper trace followed with more continuation.
She has
You
like
just wanna see
it had like
curl follow
quad
here.
equal highs up here.
Yeah, this is where you add like you 10 exercise here.
10 exercise. It's like this is it. It's either going higher or we're done for.
What did ICG3? He said, I will stay flat today. We'll resume in the morning. He said, I don't want to touch price action today.
I don't blame him.
Yeah. Meanwhile, yeah, we're like, let's try long.
Meanwhile,
Let's try to do this.
Well, I'm fucking 30 trades deep.
Bro, someone.
So we knew you took 400 trades.
Yeah,
You know
I was
you
gonna
know.
say,
Yeah,
someone
yeah.
said.
If you know, you know.
500 trades or 400 trades. That's crazy. Did you get the email? Someone asked. I did not get the email. 0.5% of people out of all Apex traders I heard did get the email. Look at the poll right now. It's about 1090 saying they got the email. So that just is what it is. And NQ did provide a lot more points. So if we compare it, I think my entry is like around 40 here or 30 something. 63, about like 24 points. And NQ this hits TP about like should be up here like about 5 points. I guess they're all relative right now. ES does hold much better than NQ today, which is good. The main question though, most likely it would run this 15 here. I just want to see if it does want to press higher through it because
Really
it's a
doesn't
930
go
open
highs.
too. I'm thinking we do retrace and then if we can wick higher, so like try this. Realistically, this could be what happened. You could just wick through it and then close lower. We'll just see. What is this Apex email about? Just a recap. These I like a lot of new viewers. There's probably let's say 1,000 or 2,000 traders out of 200,000 got the email saying they cannot buy any more evals and they are being observed for a transition to a live account. So some people don't like that and they're like voicing their opinions. We are still waiting to hear more about it.
How does that happen though? How do they determine like who
I
gets
don't
it, who
know.
doesn't?
I don't know. I mean, some people ask like, "Are you?" They're like, there's some mods asking like, "Are you in the third or fourth payout or month or something?" Like because that could be a good indicator. But something like, no, just started it or something. But we literally have no info. Apex really haven't talked much about it. It just happened literally a few hours ago. The email. So we're waiting. This is where you can exercise, guys. 5 bucks high.
What is 0.25 away? This is it right here, guys.
Add 10 minis. Boom, 2 ticks.
Look at that! Look at that! Holy.
Yeah.
Good little impulse candle.
5 points. So people are getting mad that they're getting a live count. That, and also they are talking about how they cannot buy any more accounts, which is fair because at the end of the day, you guys have to remember you buy Apex count. It's an eval. They pay you out of pocket. So they try to, like, if you're doing good already in their eyes or something, and they want you to put you live, they don't want you to pay you out of pocket anymore. They're trying to work you with there. I guess that's to protect themselves.
I also think they get hella backlash because they do this so randomly, bro. Like they wake up
Yeah.
on a Monday morning and they decide to do some bullshit. Like
Yeah.
that's
Yep.
there's no communication in any
I agree.
way, shape, or form. And
That
that's
communication
honestly is kind of, as someone who trades prop firms, that is a high key a turn off. Like why not just be honest with your people?
Yeah.
That's what I tweeted out earlier as well. I'm like, bro, like y'all gotta let traders like just trade. Stop doing so many adjustments. Like stop including so many new things.
Oh, for sure.
But Apex is Apex, you know, they'll keep doing them.
Yeah.
This could be an idea too. Well, like. There's not much to understand, guys. Some traders got an email saying they are not allowed to buy any more evals for 30 days, I think. While they're watching them, there's some rules. There's pictures all over. I'll likely share it on Twitter later after stream. You should really stop promoting Apex. Apex is not the only firm I also trade or / promote. I for other firms as well. I'm trading all of them, so I don't. Even though some might have distaste for one firm, just like some hates my fund features or some hate FTT or dislike them for delays. Like I'm not gonna override it. I'm trading all firms if they have a very bad rep towards the live block community. That's where I'll start cutting them off. Right now, it's only a very small number. Yeah. First successful trade of the day, though.
Yes, sir.
Trade made me 600 on Apex at least. Run that up. How to determine bias? I just like to look at the intraday bias or time frame, so that's 15-minute hourly, and then I also look to the higher time frame, that's the 4-hour and daily. Then we go from there. So if I had to update this, let me just see. The intraday is likely somewhat bearish for now. Higher time frame is bullish. So until I think we do flip this 15-minute and press higher, that's where you get triple time frame or time alignment bias. So we do need to get a close on the 15-minute above 21.95 here. That's why this is something I'm just looking at scalpies. I recognize this is more of a chop internal day. And we just enter off the unicorn here. If you see here, I marked 2 breakers. Either one could have been the entry that you would take. If you want the NQ one, there is a fair value gap here that did retap lower. As long as the breaker holds, my stop is under the breaker. And target is the draw liquidity. Draw liquidity on ES is like 4 relatively equal highs and the 15-minute internal target. That's a very clean drive there. And you just go back to discount. So if you look at premium discount here, this is discount. That's why that's such a low risk long that worked out.
IQ's looking to drive more.
It
than
does.
ES right now.
Somewhat does.
That
Yeah.
15-minute close is solid. The 5-minute close.
So slow.
They try to get the money they paid Kane. They paid Kane at 1.8 million. They're like, we need to make our money back.
Dead ass.
But that's like that's a very high amount though. You see other people, other firms like a big payout would be like 100K, 200K. Everyone's wild. 1.8 billion is something else. You got stopped in the wick. I think that's just recognize that it's more internal. Like you have to make sure, like breaking the stop, you likely get like up like a few points and then hit your stop, like Lanto said too. I'm just holding for it. I put my stop even though we did go up like 3 points in our favor, 1-1. I just kept my stop the same. Just look for my final target, which did help me get another basically 2-3 points. But good work, guys. Hopefully anyone who did trade that with me understood why we did that trade rather than just taking it because I did. And we'll move forward. One more next trade.
I took long. I took your long. I'm at 20K, but like I don't even know what happened to be honest with you. So thank you by the way.
And then you're like, next trade, I'm gonna double my size. I'm gonna aim to make 40K.
Yep.
This was a real trade. Next trade, imagine I'm like, you know what? Next trade, I'm just gonna do it for fun. I'm just gonna have it feel. I flipped a coin. It said longs. Let's do it. What did you hear the percent of the numbers? I think it came up from who said it? It was one of the Apex mods, or was it
Oh,
Nutty?
that has to be wrong because there's more, bro. There's definitely more.
I don't know. Someone said they got the information from my moderator, so they're not speculating. I think it was either the mods from Chris channel or Chris Discord or Nutty who said that. So someone said, and he said he probably asked from Apex himself, the one in the management. But I do believe if it's not 0.5% of traders, it's less than probably 10% at most. And a lot of Apex traders probably don't have social media. They're just to themselves, so they can't respond to these polls. It was Nutty Bar. Okay, yeah, it was somebody who said that. So I'm just taking his thoughts too, and just also adding to what I've seen is a very low number.
This is so slow.
Imagine you take the entry and it just goes back and forth. Like you're up 3-4 points, then back break even. 3-4 points,
That's
back to
literally what today's been, bro. I swear. Just slow validation. That's what today's been.
Bro is a sponsor code Peru. I think you're talking about Nutty, huh? I don't really know him too much. I just know he always defends Apex. Like his life depends on it though.
Who?
Hey, it might depend on it, bro. To be honest.
The guy Nutty Bar.
Nutty Bar.
Yeah, I heard Apex holds Diddy parties, bro.
That's crazy.
They bring up their top affiliates and they host a freak off.
Daryl Martin looks like he has Diddy tendencies. I ain't gonna lie.
That's crazy.
I could be wrong. No hate.
Oh, this guy talking to me and said, never mind. He said one prop firm to hella images on stream. It's only 4.
Add another one, Brian.
Guys,
If you guys want the best discounts on any prop firm, use code SMART.
Anyone, even Top Step.
Use code Lanto. No.
Honestly,
guys,
though,
we need our rents paid. Please use the code SMART.
No, but I'm doing that mainly because like I don't want to stand solely with one firm. So like that's why someone's like, oh, take off one firm, take off Apex. I'm saying on all of them.
He's a free agent. Brian, the free agent. Top Step. My funny people.
Yeah.
You guys hear that?
But it's all firms I trade with though, and then anyone who purchased the referral or code, we have 25 accounts to give away at the end of the month. It's all tracked.
Yeah, I say give Brian a TBM contract. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on, Apex.
I would limit my bad things to say.
You just are fully biased.
But you know what? Apex, this idea is not that bad. The people who shouldn't be buying email shouldn't be buying in the first place. They're actually helping you save money.
Mm-hmm.
Are we gonna go to the equal highs on AQ?
They're actually saving you money, guys. Everyone should give Apex some props.
Yeah, we just formed equal highs. Mm-hmm. Like, we just formed equal highs. You guys look at 080.5. That high we put in at the 1218 candle.
How much is TDM getting paid? Dude, no one knows anything, man. They'll speculate. They'll be like, oh, he's getting paid $1 million.
Yeah.
He could be getting paid 10 million. Who knows?
Yeah. He would. I don't know if he still is, but he was definitely one of their. Or he was definitely the biggest ambassador of Apex.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Apex has the best affiliate system, but I don't even promote Apex at all. I don't even trade it that much. I literally just got my PAs today after like 3 months.
Listen though, you hit on TBM all you want. He still got paid out like what 8 times or some shit off that run that he had. You can't hate on that.
Yeah.
He made a doctor's salary. He made a surgeon's salary in a couple months off Apex. Can't hate on that.
Yep.
He seems. I don't know. To me, he seems like a genuine guy.
He does. I mean, yeah. So I'm still speculating on the 15-minute here on ES. If this doesn't close over, we just move lower for new lows.
Does he look at crew chat?
Well, NQ didn't even tap in that 15-minute really. That's incredible.
Dude, every week is the same calls, Lanto. Crazy.
What is it?
Patrick Mahomes.
Oh.
My homie.
Running a jersey swap with the ref.
But yeah, the 4 firms are now. Should I add TPT? Take Profit Trader?
Dude, add all the firms. Dude, just get your money, man. No, honestly,
I just started TPT.
Take Profit
though, so I have
is really good firm. Like,
yeah.
I feel like it's an underrated firm because they don't do that much marketing, whatever. But Take Profit is actually a very good firm. I enjoy it.
Yeah.
5 accounts, get above daily withdrawals, which is very nice. I think a lot of people turn away from it because they have 5 days to get funded. But
Dude, 5 days is not bad to get funded though. It's the same as Top Step though, like 50% consistent rule, and then after that, all I do is like micro in and out for 3 more days.
Roger, no, Brian is definitely 100% the test. Like me, Lanto, all right, Brian, let me know how it goes, and then we'll see if we like the firm after. Like seriously, we just wait for Brian to like test out the firms, and then we go for them.
Yeah.
See how we like them.
Even though Lanto was the one who was trying to convince me to buy Fast Trade, I was like, you know what? I was hard against it. I was like, dude, this sounds like a scam. I was like, you know what? Let's remove my feelings. I'm just gonna try them out regardless.
It's crazy. I'm still not trading them yet, but I was like, yeah, I predicted their come up. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, he did. He
Bro bought stock early. Lanta owns 20% of FTT, guys.
Yeah.
Bro, why are you saying that out loud? Bro? You don't have to tell them that.
It's supposed to be NDA.
Yeah. Nah.
I think we move lower if we do reject from this 50 minute. It's suspicious that NQ did not want to drive into this 50 minute fishy though. But,
put in equal highs though.
Yeah, that's the thing.
This is weird.
No SMT off these highs either. What do you think of Sage switching to FTT, man? Sage is trying to get that back too, guys. let's say my fund feature was paying him like, I don't know, like 200k salary. FTT probably be like, hey, I will double your salary, just come work with us. This is just like made up numbers though. I don't know, like that could be what happened.
Look, I'm fine with Sage. Like, I'm not gonna hate on what he did, but he would fucking destroy Apex for certain stuff, and he's literally going to a firm that does the exact same thing.
Yeah.
The exact same problem, the exact same everything.
Man. I was starting to like Sage too.
Like, you can't. 20 accounts are unsustainable. Goes to a fucking firm with 48 counts.
Yeah, they allow another 20 if you have LC.
Yep.
Who plays for the 15-minute flip, guys? Basically, after I took TP at 7.325, it did wick like 2 ticks higher, and then potential flip here. Who else for FTT allows it if you have LC?
I remember who's on 40 accounts right now.
Dude, 40 counts could be broken though.
He's actually up 44k today on FTT.
Mm-hmm.
Crazy. On a day like today?
Yeah.
Unless he traded Asia.
He just 10x the size. That ES right there. 2 ticks, boom.
Yeah, he did the Alpine strat, whatever his name is.
Yes. Wait, someone said something about Alpine today, right? They said like he made 300k prop firm payouts or something this year, but
That's
he
good.
said he is afraid to trade a live count or a personal count.
Yeah, bro. If you play it the way he does, bro, it's like you're not even like
risky. You can have like a 95% win day.
You're not properly trading when you trade it the way he did on Apex for the longest.
It's the kind of like exploiting the prop trading methods. Like you can just have like a 1 to 10 risk reward ratio, or 10 to 1, 10 to 1.
Yeah.
Risk 10. It's dangerous though.
You try to replicate that on our live account, like you'll have slippage enough to like it'll result to a loss. You try to do 7 things. So.
I think prop firm is a good way to do it though. Like we probably saw it that way. He's like, okay, if I blow the count, I blow the count. If I do not blow the count, he's gonna make a lot of money from it. He's gonna be like a 90% win rate or higher, even 100% win rate for a little bit. And then one day that doesn't hit that win rate, or that 1 out like 100 day, that's where he blows it up.
Mm-hmm.
That's words I haven't heard of in a long time. I said, I love Apex so much, I'm gonna stick with Apex in top step, my bread and butter. I love Apex too.
2023 Apex, best firm in the industry all time.
2023
Apex, no problems, fast approvals, high
basically
rate.
Before the summertime was Apex the rise. It was like everyone was on Apex for some reason.
No, when I was on Statics, dude, that bro, I took that for granted.
Yeah,
I took it for granted. Rather take these equal highs out. But
335 votes so far. About 12% of people who voted said they received the email about no more evaluations. So I think NQ is more likely to run this now. I still want to see that happen.
Dude, what a day. Look at that 5-minute, bro. Oh my god. Look at those wicks.
Yeah, is it the
WPA in the shot?
12-10 you're talking about?
Let's drive into these equal highs.
Alpine says that trading is just gambling. There's no way to get an idea of where prices might go.
He's incorrect.
That sounds like a comment made for someone that like who hasn't traded. Like, you know, like that's like,
yeah,
oh,
complete novice. Yeah.
Like these,
yep.
my friends in college, when I'm like, you meet up with them a little bit, they're like, oh, what are you doing? How are you doing? Oh, someone's dental school, someone's doing this, and I'm like, oh, I'm still trading. They're like, are you okay? Like, is that like a little gambling or something? I'm like, no, there's a science to it. Someone you can do this and that. They're like, okay. That sounds like an answer for someone that does not trade. Like, I don't know.
Yeah, bro. Trading's essentially just probability, I guess.
It is probability, yeah.
There are definitely like things that tell you if you trade long enough, if you put in enough time. I mean, bro, like you don't do it, Brian. You don't do it, Desi. You don't do what I do randomly, right? This doesn't happen randomly.
Yeah. Even that long we did, like that was not random. We tried to calculate it, and then we're like, okay, this is our risk, this is our reward. If this hits, the probability of this hitting based on our 1,000 trade we took already, it's like 63%, 64%. We have an edge there. But maybe I don't know. I'm not probably just speculating, but maybe he views things as just like these prop accounts as like I guess it's video games or like slot machines. He's like, okay, let's throw it in. I'm gonna try to do whatever.
Yeah.
But yeah, even though we trade prop, I think we're still trying to develop skills in trading. So like, let's say prop firm do disappear, We'll still be around. We'll trade live account. We'll trade whatever funds.
Look, we were here before prop firms. We were here
Yeah.
during prop firms, and for sure it'll be after. Like, if you guys want to know, all of us started out trading live accounts, and we had
Yeah.
extreme success. So it's not anything new if we go back to live.
Trade
Besides-
options, trade penny
Yeah.
stocks, trade futures, trade prop firm. We trade everything at one point.
Yeah, like I still trade my live options account for swings and stuff. So it's nothing new. You don't lose the skill set just because you switch on live or whatever. Obviously, we'll have to our risk management be a little bit different. It is higher risk reward versus prop firms, but it's nothing crazy.
It's not gambling if there's an edge in your favor. I think that's where I really agree with you there. It'll be gambling if all I take the trade was like, let's say I flip the coin, heads or tails, no signs, no looking at the charts. That'll be straight up gambling. How do you frame safe stop loss in this? If you're talking about like this price action, just how it's back and forth, it is very difficult. Because we're so back and forth. I think today, like, until you recognize a trend flip where it's like done chopping around, you just go for base hits. So like you just scalp in and out. Like say even that trade we took here, don't even go for the full target. Just once it hits like 3-4 points here, just take the TP. Like so this here 68, 171, that's 3 points. Just take the full TP. And then re-enter if it does give it to you. So in this case, it did wick back down. Look for re-entry if you want. That's like when you're recognizing chop days, internal days. I think pivoting to that stance is good until we do like do a trend flip. Then go for hold for full target. There's good days where you can hold for a trailing stop. Others where it's not that good. JTA said, I would like to see you guys try trade crypto futures. Crypto futures, actually, you know what that is? That just crypto?
Yeah,
What's it again?
Crypto futures?
Yeah, it's just trading. It's like
Yeah,
yeah,
it's
it's
just
a
futures on
leverage.
crypto.
Yeah, you could leverage it
Yeah.
or whatever.
Can you crypto check my port?
Would
I don't have
you
it up.
like what like Lanto, do you day trade futures or you swing trade more like doing technicals
For what?
when you're trading crypto?
Oh no, I'm just doing like I'm
Just
doing long
hold
term
it.
holds, that's it.
Yeah. Facts.
Yeah, I mean that's probably why we're not even trying to day trade crypto. It is
Nah, that'd be
it's
OD.
pretty hard to like it's very volatile and stuff.
Nah, yeah.
I don't even know if like it's is it good to use like tech like strategy like even ICT or something like does it go for draw liquidity and stuff like that?
Yeah, I think so. There's validation.
Yeah, that's
I think
good.
we found enough sustained success in indices. I think when it comes to crypto, for me at least, those are just long term holds. There's no, bro. Imagine like imagine day trading indices the 5 days of the week, and then on weekends you trade crypto. That's too OD.
Yeah, that is wild.
Too much. Weekends are so useful. I used to hate weekends, but now I love them because they're so useful to reset mentally.
Yeah.
Very much needed. Your brain can easily get fogged up, especially if you're inexperienced and you're not used to putting in so much time. Your brain can easily get fogged up.
Yeah. Let's see. Someone asked, what protocols do you guys employ to engage and profit from this? I don't know how to say that. And price that unfold when trading consolidation profiles.
Guys, small words, please. Or call us dropouts.
Yeah, we're
please. Skillet. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Skilletation.
Nah, get out you are. That's crazy to think about. All three of us are actually called dropouts.
Oscillations.
That's
Oh
actually
god, I'm
crazy
butchering
to
this
think
shit.
about. No,
Oscillations. I don't know.
I never
It's-
thought of that. Like
Price
that.
is just oscillating, volatile, back and forth.
Dude, I don't even know what that means, bro. I'll be honest.
That's crazy to think about. Not one of us in here has finished college.
Oh, he meant
God.
oscillation. Okay, I was like, so what is?
What does that even mean, bro?
Yeah,
my
but-
vocab is so dog shit, dude.
Yeah, verbiage is
I
something
like
that
bruh,
have.
bruh the whole time.
Yeah, I mean, like if you just recognize it's more like seeking shore, just back and forth, internal day. That's what I mean by that. Just probably go for base hits and not leave runners. So you can see here, just move lower, higher, lower, higher. Just like back and forth. There's no clear move, and then we left so many equal highs here, where we did draw to it eventually, but then look at we're just shouting back and forth. So like, until you don't see chop back and forth there, even the higher time, like the 5 minute, 15 minutes, it's still like we're just closing in, closing out, closing in. very clear that it's like
Does someone want to
consolidation
explain drawdown in
In
hood
hood terms?
terms?
Ooh, that's a good idea. Okay.
I can explain in Fortnite terms.
Hold on, let me think. I'm actually trying to think. Oh, here's a good example.
Oh god, this is gonna be.
Your
terrible.
ops,
Oh my god.
Your op-
Oh my god.
your opposition has something of importance, and you know where he's located at, so you pull up with the Glock, and you say, "Give me that shit," and you dip. So your op has something you want, and you know where it is. So all you gotta do is just drive there, like Price drives it to draw, and boom, there you go.
No, he means draw down.
Draw down, not draw liquidity.
Oh, I think we're drawing liquidity.
Well, basically, Lanta does explain draw liquidity. Yeah. Drawdown in Fortnite terms is like when you get one pump, right? But you can still get res. You can still reboot. And your reboot is your end of like your total drawdown. So you get out for that certain amount, but you can get back in the game.
Yeah.
That's smart. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. That's actually smart.
You get rebooted type shit, and then you come back.
Yeah.
And you get one pumped again, and then the firm wins, and you don't get a victory royale.
Yeah, Des, you should start like a TikTok and try to get these kids, like these 15-year-old kids, to trade. Like, let me break down here. Let me explain in Fortnite terms.
So basically,
the short idea I think is just this 15-minute here. Put your stop above, a little bit higher. Here, go for low day. Or I guess in this case, like if you hit 101, so like you take entry at 7-3. When we get to 68s again, probably good to take TP already. But I think I do like shorts, especially now. Just very choppy still.
then you get hit 2 minis and you got 50 back. Tie shit.
Yeah.
Throw a couple of chug splashes in there.
Yeah, getting a payout's like hitting like a chug jug, you know?
No, but look, but when you get back up, you don't have your full drawdown. So it's honestly, you only got 1 mini left, bro. Scooby.
Okay.
You have 125 shields, so you're very one-shottable by a sniper.
Oh yeah, that ass. And the more drawdown you go into as well, the lesser your HP is. So like,
yeah.
If you're like one trade away from hitting drawdown fully, you're like a pickaxe away from dying.
Facts.
Dude, that's...
And then you're basically on the. You need a res, bro. Once you hit drawdown, it's over.
Yeah.
The res.
You
need to reset the count. You get your credit card out. Buy the DLC, man.
He said, "Damn, I think this trading stuff started to click."
No, tarding stuff. Tarding, bro. My chat says shit all the time, too. They don't call it trading. They call it tarding.
Oh, my God.
What are they retarding on the charts?
There's probably a lot of, like, grown people in the stream. They're like, what are these guys? What is Fortnite?
ICT's in here. He's just about to unsubscribe right now. Just leave.
Buy more V-Bucks. Yeah, V-Bucks is basically like buy prop firms. And use my creator code. Support the creator.
Yeah, oh god, using my affiliates like support the creator code on Fortnite. Yeah.
Yo, it is.
It is, I ain't gonna lie.
Code Ninja on Top Step, bro. Hood drawdown? Oh god.
Dude,
about a brick from one to
bro, while we're talking about this, imagine this. Like, you know how like you graduate from high school, like, you can go for college, you could do like technical job, you can work retail. Imagine there's like a growing number would actually just get into trading or prop firms. That'd be wild. Like, imagine your high school, like 10%, 20% of people like, you know, I want to start trading. Someone need to make a course.
I was telling Lanto this. I have a friend I hoop with. He's a teacher, and he said a lot of his kids they're trying to get into trading right now. Like they'd be like trading while in the class. They're like
high school.
I think juniors. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Good for business.
Yeah, that's good.
Code smart, baby.
Good for business.
But like, you would need to make these videos about prop firms, like to explain it to someone who don't know what it is. Because everyone here probably knows a lot already, but just imagine you have no idea what Apex is, Top Set. You don't know who's who. You don't know about the rules. You don't know about how they trap you and all that stuff. There gotta be someone who can try to introduce it in a good way.
I'm hardly thinking about it now, but imagine if Novice completely coming in here right now and like hearing you day to day on live stream and trying to listen in, but they have no idea what's going on.
Yeah.
That's how I was once as well. you remember when I first started trading? I would try to like learn super hard. My brain would get so foggy because it'd be like all like foreign as heck. But
Yeah.
this is what it is,
Plumbers cost as much as lawyers. Dude, plumbers make bank, I heard. People don't want to get in that field, but they need it.
bro. No, I'm a homebody. I trade or I do nothing else. Dude, you put me in a construction site, like I literally wouldn't know what to do. It's like you put me in a Fortnite game, I wouldn't know how to build. You know what I'm saying?
in high school too, like some of my friends were like, they're like, yeah, I'm in construction right now, and they're like, we're talking about the pay, like, oh, I get $10 an hour, it's pretty good. At that time, $10 was pretty good because everyone's getting like 7 to 8. The minimum wage is probably like $7 or something. So someone getting $10, like, oh, you're making good money then, I guess. Just looking back, like that was they slaved away.
Speaking of working, one of the wing stops in Bakersfield, or like I guess all of them got caught up because they weren't paying their employees enough.
Wait, what? What did you say?
That they weren't paying their employees like overtime and stuff.
That's some shit Daryl Martin would do. No, I'm kidding.
God. Dude, that shit had me crying, bro.
If this 15-minute can appear, I'm looking at logs. I'm not taking anything since that first trade. I'm just letting it play out more.
Yeah.
Live feature trades kept on saying, I need a setup, I need a trade. Dude, if it's not presenting itself, there's a reason we're not pressing buttons right now. We're waiting, letting it play out more.
Yeah, it's...
Bro, Brian just took a trade on live as well.
We took
yeah, he
trade
did.
live
He
here.
did.
And I average trade one trade every like hour and 30 minutes. So like check back in like an hour, man. We might get another one going. $10 an hour back to like 2017, 2018. That was like, they're like, damn, as a team, you're making good money.
Bro, what? You act like 2017 was 30 years ago, dog. That shit was only 7 years ago.
But dude, inflation and price, like each like every 2-3 years has been drastically different than it was before. Even to compare it to like 2020 before COVID, very different. So it feels like decades ago if we compare like prices.
Dude, inflation is so
that's
crazy to
wild.
think about it.
It is wild.
It's just
the
not
past
real, bro.
10, 15
They
years.
cooking us.
Dude, I
Housing has
was
doubled.
telling about that. I feel like the inflation doesn't affect us as much because we could just make more money and stuff like that. But it does affect people that, like, let's say they just do like $6K a year or something, like regular salary. That must be so tough for them from what it was like 7 years ago, 6 years ago. Now they're struggling to even like, they're like, this is not enough at all. But yeah, I was talking to like some family about it. Like, yeah, like I don't know how you guys are gonna make it, like with your like regular job, like nursing job, these type of jobs, like it's tight. And like they see me out here. I'm just like I don't even worry about finances because I'm like my monthly payouts each month is covering it. They're like, oh, maybe I should get in trading then. And like that might be what pushes people too.
How many trades do I average weekly? I don't know, bro. It depends on price action. I'm a big believer in if the price action's good.
Ask a day instead. I probably do like
ask a day,
4,
Brian, all of
3.
all of them.
Yo, can we like? I pray every single night. I'm not even kidding. Every single night that the industry standard in terms of the markets could be what CPI was last Wednesday.
Dude, that was
Wait.
or FOMC.
FOMC.
Or was it FOMC? No,
Yeah.
CPI. No, CPI the week before.
Oh,
Remember?
week before? Yeah. That was
Remember?
good too.
Was it good? I don't remember.
If that ever could become the market standard, bro, I swear to God. I'm not even kidding. I'd probably like. I don't even know what I would do.
Bro's tweaking out right now.
Yeah, I
He's
pray.
thinking of the price action is like, oh my god.
He's like, oh my god, I can't wait. That's gonna be another 200K day again.
Dude, that price.
Headass.
If price could be that like every day, oh my god, someone, bro.
Lanto was getting passionate about talking about this dream price action.
It's a
No,
dream.
it's like you have days like today where it's just like you're on the trust for 8 hours and you're like, I don't know.
Bro, speaking about praying, like so sometimes I'm just like, I wake up, I'm like, hopefully no profit is gonna rug pull me.
You wake up, all your accounts are gone.
Like, I got so much money on each firm, man. Like, hopefully they'll just pay me out, man.
That's a good thing though, because you're versatile. So even if one thing does
Yeah.
go down,
But still, not a good look though. Like, or not a good thought to have. Like, wake up tomorrow, like, am I gonna get approved? Am I gonna get paid?
that's just Apex, bro. That's just Apex. Every other firm you're on, you're gonna get approved. I promise.
Yeah.
It's just fucking Daryl Morton.
But like, even us, like, let's say you don't get a payout for Apex anymore. Like this year, you alone, you did like 300K plus probably. So you're set already from needing more. So even they cut me off too. Like I'm already like very positive. I'll just be like, damn, they just not let me trade with them anymore. Or
I
they run
hate
for
that
what?
approach though. I hate that approach. I
You
feel
do,
like that should
yeah.
be relevant.
I mean,
You know?
I mean, it just shows the history. Like they paid you a lot of money already. Maybe they have a bad understanding or incident, but
Yeah.
it doesn't sound as bad than like you just getting scammed, not paid a dime yet. You're net negative. I'll be so mad if I'm net negative and if a rug pulled me.
So we're driving down a little bit.
No close higher on the 15-minute on NQ or ES here. Neither NQ as well. And we get like a lot. Look at these drive high here. So like we noticed before the stream, or like when the stream started, we kept on making lower lows, lower wicks, and now we're just making high wicks. It's coming back down. That's just so choppy. So like if we do trade this, it looks like good day just to scout back for. Like if you trade NQ, the moment we flip like 7-8 points, you can either take a partial there or put a green stop on. Yeah, about 400 votes, 13%. People were saying they got the email.
Look at that 5 minute.
I still think NQ wants to maybe push for the. I don't know where it's going. Actually, I'm not gonna say anything. I have zero idea. Everything is Wix is getting bought up. It's kind of weird. Hella back and forth.
I'll see what you soon. Dude, we're just waiting for a good price action though.
Yeah, we're just stalling. Brian has too much aura. That's why he doesn't do face cams. He has too much aura. If you were to do a face cam, it would just like go through the screen. You'd feel it. You wouldn't even have a trade because you'd be distracted.
Facts.
I wonder how many people in the stream waiting for me to press the next trade. They're like, I don't see nothing right now. And they're just gonna full size next entry.
You need to do it now.
Fun fact, Asia last night was easier to trade than this.
How was London? Was London good?
I think it was.
Asia was free.
Asia was free.
Asia just wrecked all night.
London opened at 3 a.m. and we just have like a very violent 101 drop.
Yep.
I need to get some Apex trade or tops up trade too. I don't really need to trade Apex. I can just log a day at this point. But I mean, I'm green on it. I'm up 600 per account, or on a handful of accounts. Some are just pending payout, which I don't need to trade on right now. We're still great on it. We're about a few thousand up right now, 4,000 or 5,000. Just look at price action, guys. We're just chopping back and forth about 20-point range, and then we move up from that range, another 20-point range.
Yeah.
Do you guys think Apex will rug pull? I think they just pay way too many people for me to speculate they're gonna rug pull.
Why is Chess be spamming BBL, bro? What I missed?
Are they spamming? Let me see.
Oh, you say BBL Lento pull the face cam.
It's because Lento did that to me. He said press 1.
Buddy, this is your stream, bud.
For real.
You know, it's funny. I did. Yeah, I bought the camera setup. It was like kind of like 800 for the camera, and then 200, 300 for the rest of the setup. I still in the box. It's actually still in the box.
All right, my prediction. High of day and low of day are put in.
I think honestly we could push to 127 if this like picks up within the next like 20 minutes.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah,
that's the only thing I'm really interested in.
I'm more bullish than bearish, but
this is so slow, dude.
It is.
you guys reference that one or even reference that 5-minute? Jesus Christ.
Because every time we go, ES takes the high and then you come back down.
Yeah, dude, getting 5 points on ES out of his range just feels like I just got like a 50 or like a 10-point move already on a regular day. Same with NQ, you're getting like 30, 20 points on NQ. That should probably feel like you just hit a 50 point setup, which is now. Who other streamers do you guys watch in chat, guys? I think we talked about a handful of streamers today already. Trades by Matt. How's TBM been doing? He said trades by Matt, and then he follows up with saying he's scared. How's TBM been doing? I haven't.
Has he got a payout yet? It's the running yet or no?
Yeah. Has he made another run?
Yeah, that's a question.
Trade by I like watching.
I'll cry, bro. Says his name says gay.
Tanya, how's Tanya been doing, guys? I'm
Trades by
sure
Slade is good.
She shows her execution, and she's been hitting. I've seen her share some live executions where it's like pretty good days. I think she traded micros, if I believe. Where that does allow you to hold the trade much more. You have a few micros.
Does Lambo Roll actually live trade? No way.
No.
Does TBM trade Apex still? He sounds like he hasn't got a payout in a few months. Maybe he's trying to build back up. It's really hard to replicate his run because that was like kind of almost his first try essentially. And maybe he's having
TBM?
Yeah, TBM.
Yeah, but no, I don't know if has he even got a payout since that.
Yeah, that's what someone's saying. Like he hasn't got a payout in a few months since then. So has he been trading? Or has he just been struggling with Apex? I don't know. I think that's probably the same thing as Alpine too. I think Alpine did 300k in payouts for I don't know the time frame, but it was like very like early on and like you know like 60k a month, 50k a month, but now it's like slowed down.
Much love, Slade, for real, bro. You've been killing it. Good shit, man.
Love. Kane went on Words of Wisdom podcast.
Oh yeah, he did.
It's out. The video's out, yeah.
How long is the podcast?
Perfect time.
He's live preparing it right now, and it's 93 minutes ago, and it's still going on.
Guys, who wants Lanto to be the next guest? Get him on that podcast.
Lanto, where there is going to check. He's gonna check his NQ position mid interview.
Imagine.
I go back to the person that kept the naive
Kane from the UK. Lanto,
yeah.
You think you'll do Toss Up TV first or Riz podcast first? Someone said to get you on Toss Up TV too.
I don't know, bro. I mean, we'll see. I'm just locked trading, bro. That's really what it is. I don't want to take any time away from it.
Yeah, that's good.
At least for now. Until I settle down and I'm content, but I'm trying to run it up now.
Kimmel TV or Kimmel Trading. Oh, I think he's a Forex streamer, right? Forex that maybe started more features now.
Orlando to give me an update on the account. He said he You got scammed, buddy. Ha ha ha. Nah, these imposters out here, they were crazy. You know, there was an imposter who signed up for Kane's Discord. Swear to God. There was an imposter of me in Kane's Discord who signed up, like paid
Hmm.
premium. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's wild.
Bro's
I mean,
investing.
if you fall for that though, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, they keep on doing it, so they probably catch a few people. Maybe they'll message like 10,000 people, and like all it takes like 3 people to give them their bank or something, transfer them money, and they just made a good month already. These scammers. The real traders are not on podcasts. Way too introverted.
Ugh.
Real traders are non-products. I don't know.
I mean, there could be extroverted traders.
Yeah, I mean,
You ever,
TTM got.
walk outside and talk to people.
No, I am very introverted. Like trading is, I speak extremely like extroverted. I'm very introverted now because of trading. So,
Honestly, I feel like I think the same thing too. They used to do
But
so many
you
things.
guys aren't gonna go out in public and be awkward. Like,
Yeah.
hold a
But
conversation.
who knows though? Who knows? Maybe since we trading so hard, all we talk about is trading. We could the next event that's like non-trading, we just meet like a reunion. Would just be so awkward.
to be honest, bro, if I look with y'all IRL, it's not gonna be for trading. I don't want to hear about trading. It has
Of
to
course,
be
we never
some,
do
like
that.
bullshit, you know,
Yeah.
show stuff.
And I hate trading with people anyways. Like that, I think that's. I don't think that's good.
Yeah, like when
I don't
we
like
yesterday
taking
Grace, if we traded, like it was separate still.
Yeah, I can't. Like Lance is a great trader. I'm a good trader. Like I need my own space. I can't
Yeah.
look at something. Oh yeah, let's do this. Let's do that.
When were you getting educational videos? What kind of? I think I've been looking to make some videos. Either like just payout videos or guides, stuff like that, or it could just be like trading videos. What kind of videos y'all want?
They want any video, Brian. Or how I trade unicorn setups 2024, not
2020.
patched.
How I got 100K payouts this month. How Lanto made 150K in one night in 6 hours.
You should do strategy videos, or like breakdowns of your trades. Those are good.
That's good, yeah.
People like those.
How to scale up and that's a very good video. I think that
So basically, guys, you want to go in 5 different firms, max out the accounts, and send that shit.
send that shit. Max size for each
really
firm.
bad, bro.
Find an A+ setup that you know is gonna work.
If it doesn't work, you go to the firm, you buy it again.
Buy it again. How to use ChatGPT for trading? Yeah, how to flip a coin and get confirmation buys.
All right, what news do we have tomorrow? Can I send some evals or no?
Nah, man. The next one is probably not on payroll. Just next Friday.
I feel like one of these random ones are gonna get a good move. I only need like 10 points.
FMC was a good move at least.
Yeah.
To a live interview. All right, we're gonna next YouTube video. I'm gonna interview Lanto, then Desi, and then who else? Johnny. Like, what? Tell everyone who you are.
Dude, I
What
wouldn't
is your
be able to
secret?
stop. Like, if I had an interview with you guys, I wouldn't be able to stop laughing. Like that ass. Because we know each other so well, it's like, dude,
Start
I would laugh
trolling
the
you.
whole time. That should be funny as hell.
So first question Lanto will be like, so why do you have influencer privilege? Everyone is speculating.
Why are your payouts so much faster than everyone's? Like,
Yeah. Explain yourself.
It's because I rig it. I pay Protect to pay me. You know.
Why is Top Steps always inviting you for Top Step TV? Do you have a contract with them?
dude, pull up the vlog on stream, Brian.
What vlog?
I'm beating these 5-1 rumors, bro.
He's actually 5'2", guys.
Look at this, bro. I'm gonna send you this link and I'm gonna tell you what time frame to go to, bro.
Wait, let me see.
I'm beating the allegations today. Hold on.
Oh,
What's wrong with short people? I'm short. What's wrong
I
with
gotta-
that?
I gotta see what time frame. Lanto is not short, guys. Lanto is a huge human.
All right. No, I'm not. I am short.
Dude, that makes it sound like Lanto's like obese. He's like
Yeah, you make me sound like I'm fat.
No, he's not fat. He's just a large dude, bro.
260 like Bradley Martin.
I'm 5'4".
All right, Brian. All right, Brian. Here, I'm gonna send. Look at this and go to 1740, bro. Being the case today.
1740. Is it definitive proof though?
Yeah, it is, bro. It is. It is.
All right, let's see.
Oh yeah, I didn't watch that. Yeah, Loki watch it on stream.
I don't know if it's playing in the. Is it playing?
It's. Oh, it is. It is.
We got
It is.
all of tomorrow to have some fun.
Oh,
All right, 1740. You about to pop up?
Oh my god. Bro,
Is that you in the video? You
Look
fight-
who's here.
I'm about to pop up right now.
D Hezzy. Good, bro.
is that
How-
Shane?
That's
Yeah.
but
Watch
like,
it
how,
that, but watch it that, but that'll compare me to another human. Watch. Just wait it.
the other guy could be like 4'8".
Look at this, bro. I'm literally 6'6", guys. I'm literally 6'6".
What do you guys think?
I think I beat the case.
Yup.
All right, moving on to Top TV. Let's see if they're up to date.
I want to know the
No, I'm only
steps
60, guys.
why we-
661.
longer. Like,
Is Top up to date?
Generation 4.
Dude, they sent me
Yeah.
an email or sent everyone an email. Like, we're on 3K.
3K day. Get them 3K.
No, I was dying when I saw that. I was dying. They gotta be trolling.
Yeah, they're W rage bait.
After being down like 15K per day for like a week, 2 weeks consecutively. 3K up. Let's go.
That just reminded me. I gotta log in a day for my live account. Fuck. Hold on 1 sec.
You're gonna do that. You're like, I just need to make
Yo,
$200
full
a
port
day.
is IFEG, Lanto, and I promise you, you're getting paid.
Yeah, go for it. Dude next to him is 4'6". I don't know if you're being the allegations.
Aw, damn. Me and Brian are boxing as soon as I land. When I see him, someone said, have you guys met? Me and Lanto have met like 3-4 times. I haven't met Brian yet, but
Dude,
we're
we-
fighting on spot.
We had plans, but I don't know. You have a Japan trip coming up now.
Yeah.
The allegation. I might meet Ash in a few weeks too. He said he's
Dude.
coming to Tampa.
There's in the video, I'm like introducing myself to like a girl, right? Like it's my friend's girlfriend, and then someone's like, "No way you introduce yourself using your Discord name." I'm like, "Bro, it's literally my last name."
Oh, they're like, "Hi, my name is."
I was like, "It's Destiny." She's like, "Why are you using your Discord name?" I'm like, "Bro."
She said that is your Discord.
No,
name?
she didn't say it. My Discord said that.
Oh.
They're like, "Why are you using your?" I'm like, "Bruh."
I mean, that's what. Do you? Who do you like when you're in school or class? Do you go by your first name or
Well, everyone, people I meet through online, everyone calls me Destiny. It's just,
okay.
Yeah,
Oh, you Nessie? Ira? No.
yeah.
Oh, you by
I
your
call
government?
Lanto. I don't call Lanto by his name. I call him Lanto. So used to it.
Dude, this is so choppy, man.
Yeah, I'm not gonna share my live. I'm gonna sit out.
This is I don't even know. Like, it feels like we just been in charts for like 30 minutes. It's almost 2 hours already. I haven't been paying attention to much charts just because I'm like waiting for something to happen. Nothing's happening. And
Lanto says the word.
somehow we got a good trade off already.
Nah, Tim, you're actually weird. I ain't gonna lie, Tim. You're weird. Jason, why'd you delete it?
What?
He said something funny, bro. He deleted it. I'm not mad at you. You don't have to delete that. What? Bro.
Did he say Lance is a hug type of guy? Where's my hug at?
Yeah, he said, where my hug at? Somebody said hi in Albanian to me in chat. Tim. That's crazy.
Guys, speaking of things we're watching, who signed you up on Apex to be a
Oh god.
a help desk, remote desk?
Me.
Who signed you up, bro?
You're gonna see a random message by Desi Trays in the middle of the night cussing at him, bro. I'm like, fuck you guys.
We'll slide you guys a tip if you can approve meal rental payouts early. Priority. Look at this, 50K to 80K. Like, I guess you probably start at 50K and then you go up if you get more years experience up to 80, I guess. But they give you
That's
healthcare,
crazy.
dental, vision, 401K. But it's
You
just
don't
a
think that's
contracted
crazy?
job.
Brian,
So-
that's 2 payouts for real. Or
Yeah.
2 cycles of max
per
payouts.
year. It's a contractor, so I guess like they can just kill your contract anytime, but they have benefits. So that's. what
I'm
it's
so
saying,
glad I
so-
dropped out of college. Holy shit, bro. I remember being in college and looking for like what do you call it? Internships.
Yeah. I same thing. I always get.
Oh my
I get
God.
worried about that. Like that's stressing me out. I'm like, oh, there's so many people looking for internships. It's unpaid. Like you're just, for the most part, it's unpaid.
And then you go to internship and they ask you for work experience, like, bruh.
Yeah, it's like how that. If I had work experience, I would
Oh,
not
yeah.
be doing an
That's the whole
internship.
point of it. That's the whole point of internships, bro. That's the whole point, to gain experience.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of college, bro.
Apex need to hire people to approve payouts, man, so we can have an inside person.
Bro, I just remember like, bro, there's nothing in life that gives me anxiety, but that school gives me fucking anxiety to the core, bro. To the
Yeah.
core.
So Desi is Lanto? Yes.
Correct. Anyways, yeah, man, I don't know. Dude, fuck, bro.
I
Remember-
am Lanto.
Bro, remember when I would like trade? When I first started trading, I would trade. I'd be red, and then I'd have to go do like 4 hours of college work. Bro, that'd be the most like depressing shit. Imagine being red, already down, and then you have to go do work like 4 to 5 hours of just schoolwork. Bro, oh my god. If anyone took business, like finance, those first 2 semesters of school, bro, it's all textbook work. You gotta go
Yeah,
on-
it's like what is it? What's it called?
I forgot. Yeah,
I forgot.
something.
This is a term.
McGraw-Hill, something like that. McGraw-Hill or something like that.
Mhm.
Bro, that, it literally just memorizations. You don't learn
It
Yeah.
makes you want to
memorization.
off yourself, bro.
Yeah,
Like,
that's,
no
cap.
that's what like a lot of school don't do. Like they just push you to memorize stuff rather than like kind of critical thinking or something that you could.
There's no thinking. It's
That's
brain
you.
dead, dude.
Yeah.
Here, like, I was in a class. It was literally all memorization. I'm like, dude, how is this gonna help me in life?
Yeah.
Like,
Guess what? I took macroecon, microecon. I don't remember a
Yep.
shit I learned from there.
same.
Besides standard deviations where I learned in trading. Like, bro.
Yeah. And then for science class, a lot of them is like you read the textbook, you just memorize it. You're not really understanding much.
Yeah, man.
Unless you're going for that field.
Bro, it's terrible. It's terrible.
But
How much
I
you guys
want-
make before dropping out? I mean, whatever I would say to sports your lifestyle, I guess.
Yeah. I think it was more so how much I made. It's more so the consistency.
Yeah.
And knowing
Yeah, exactly.
and like knowing you're in a good spot. Like when I dropped out personally, like I was able to make a full-time income off it.
yeah.
If you want exact answer, it was over 6 figures, but it wasn't high 6 figures at all.
Everyone's just different though, man. You just gotta make a decision somewhere. where
Me
you
and
want
Lance
to
used to talk about it. We're like, dude, 20K will drop out.
Yeah, bro.
40K will drop out.
This dude.
60K will drop out. And we're like, bro, at what point are we actually going to say a number and we're going to drop out? And it was like a 100K
Yeah.
mark. And then I was like, I'm out of here.
Remember you were in your dorm and you had those 2 roommates?
Oh my God. Dude.
Oh.
Dude, that was the worst time of my life.
Not dead ass.
I fucking hated every second of it, bro.
Dude, this dude would be trading on his live in his dorm. I'd be like, bro, you're actually psycho. Bro, that's like, bro, it sucks, because you like, bro, you try to run a full-time business like trading in a Discord, and then you also have school, like, bro.
Bro, I had that too. I had I think it was like a math class. Well, like on certain days where I couldn't stream, so I'm like, okay, I gotta stream like Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, and then the other days I could only do live Discord and the PM stuff. It's like it's just such
So
a hassle
tough,
to
yeah.
get around.
Yeah. Ethan, I agree. Like, calling out, there's a lot of good for
I
like a
enjoyed
lot
it
of
too, though.
social people. But
Yeah.
for me, bro, you guys, Lanto was like there. We like started trading together. I literally did not leave my dorm because I just wanted to get so good at trading
Yeah.
to a point where I was like, dude, I'm just not gonna leave the dorm. I
I
would go out to
basically
eat,
did
come
that.
back, hop on a call with Lanto for like 15 hours a day.
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys, how far did you guys get to? Like the first year or past it or no?
I dropped out the first year. Yeah.
Yeah,
year.
after my
One semester
First
through or no?
I finished.
I finished
I-
freshman year personally.
Yeah, I finished a first. Yeah, I finished. I failed a lot of classes
Oh.
last quarter, but
I
My
finished first year, dropped out, and then I was tempted to go back to my parents were pressing me, and then I was like, nah, fuck that. But you know what I did, bro? Listen, guys, this is like, oh, we're probably a little bit here, but, bro, you know what I did? So I don't know about you guys, but my parents, they used to use school as a leverage for me. When I had no money, when I was broke, they'd be like, yo, if you know where to school,
Yeah.
we're booting you out the house. And as soon as I started getting money, I ain't gonna lie, they'd be like, oh, if you don't go to school, we're booting you out the crib. I'm like, all right, boot me out the crib. I got money now.
Do it then. Yeah.
And
exactly.
bro, and they,
Like,
bro, it's crazy. They instantly
bluff.
flipped.
And it wasn't even a disrespecting. It was more like, you know, like
Like, let me
I
be,
could
bro.
like
Yeah.
I could kind of support myself. Like thank you, but I don't need the help.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I mean, like I said, like when I started trading, there's literally only one probably person in this world. I mean, another one, but I don't talk to him. There's one person who actually knew how it was, and it was Lanto. Me and Lanto go way, 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 way back. I met Brian about a year after.
Yeah.
Bro, we technically knew each other since high school, cause like,
Yeah.
remember I met you and we were still applying for colleges.
Yep.
I was young. I went 3 years deep, and then I dropped.
I remember
Yeah.
I met Brian in that scam Discord, right? Dre's Discord.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Come
that
on,
guy.
dude. That's why you always I get so sketched out Forex, man. But you can't believe anything on Forex. I feel like without like setting like full proof.
Yeah.
It happens
And
so often.
look, I'm not saying go drop out of college by any means, but if you have found some consistency and you're disciplined throughout all of this, my thing is this opportunity might not come back, right? The markets
Yeah.
are good, prop firms are good, but that opportunity for college is always going to be there. So if you need to take some time off, I would suggest doing that. You could take a gap year or a couple years. Like you could
Yeah.
always go back to college. A lot of people, especially in the space, are young. Even if you're not young, bro, you can always go back. So like this right here, this opportunity we have, I just think is a opportunity that's not, you should not pass it up.
Yeah,
So
it's
give
not
it
like-
your all, especially if you found consistency within this
Yeah.
game.
Yeah, you don't have to drop out. Like for me, I did 3 years in. I told my school. I told my parents too. I'm like, I'm just gonna take a gap year to figure out if this is viable. If it wasn't, I was likely gonna go back to school. But then it worked out. We're still rolling. That's like 3 years ago, and we're still.
Yeah, I agree with that. See, 'cause, bro, a lot of people like to portray the narrative. I dropped out of school and then I made it, bro. Like, when you drop out of school, you gotta make sure you have something that's already winning. That's what you gotta do.
Yeah, because you got to get some type. I don't know about how people's parents are, but like me and Lance have foreign parents, so we needed some type of leverage to get.
Yeah.
Just to buy some time, right? And we knew that time wasn't going to be bought forever, so we were like, okay, now we got some time. Let's actually like
Lock in.
really let's go. Like this is it right here. Like this is the opportunity we wanted, and now we got it. It was
Bro, hold on. Someone said 70% of people got the email. First, it's 13%, and then they said another stream got 7%. You add that up, it's 20% of all streams. I don't think you add percentage up like that, guys.
yeah.
I think you average that, if anything.
That's crazy. W math.
He said
Yeah, it would be
10%
average,
here,
and then
10% here.
Yeah. I don't know.
W math.
For someone who doesn't trade ICT at all, where do I start on mentorships if I wanted to learn how to trade?
So
If
after that, let me see.
you always want to go. I would say to watch the 2022 mentorship, right? And then you could break it down into whatever models you want. The 2022
Yeah.
mentorship's long. It's a lot of rants, but I think it all plays part in becoming good at ICT. And then you could find individual traders like Brian, teaches a unicorn model. I teach the inversion. Whatever you guys want, whatever you guys feel that's good for your trading style, you could go and either join someone's Discord, right? Or a lot of our education is free on YouTube. Like all my stuff is free on YouTube. So you can go ahead and watch that and see, how we trade.
There's way too many free resources out there. I don't think you need to pay like any courses or
Yeah.
anything. You don't even need it. Like, you're not gonna do Turtle Soup Romeo for $200. You can find other people teach.
Yeah. And so, hey, and if you do think you need an extra boost, bro, like, I'm not saying mine or anything. I don't have any mentorships no more, but I would say join someone who you find is, reputable, and talk with them and pay them, bro. Like, people invest thousands of dollars into their college degree, but then people, when it comes to trading and they want to learn this, they want to kind of, be cheap about it and not pay that extra $500, $600, even $1,000 for someone's time.
Yeah.
You know why I think they're like that as well? It's because they get that mental approach where like, oh, school's guaranteed though. If you graduate, you'll get a job.
Exactly.
When first of all,
but
it's not. First of all, it's not.
Yep.
It's
I
not.
agree.
Second of all, trading's just not guaranteed. But nothing in life is guaranteed if you think about it, right? Every successful person out there, like at some point, nothing was guaranteed at all. So you gotta really lock in. If you really have a true passion for trading, you just gotta lock in, keep going. That's it.
Yeah. Someone posted a mentorship with no rants in it. It looks like it looks much shorter. It looks like it's like 2 hours. Rather than like 10 hours.
It is. But I also feel like the
Also,
rants are, they're like good to like listen to. I don't know.
It helps your trading.
Guys, Twitter Spaces low-key hit sometimes. If you ever need motivation,
Yeah, no,
watch
ICT's
his
motivation
Twitter
go
recordings.
crazy. Yeah.
They're super motivational.
I'm gonna pin that playlist just for if anyone wants to go through that.
Solomon, I'm 21. Brian, you're 23, right?
Yeah.
Atlanta, you're 22?
21.
21, about to be 22.
Yeah.
When's your birthday, Lanto?
November 15th.
Oh, it's coming up soon in like 2 months.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do, man?
I don't even know, to be honest.
Yeah, we prove it.
Probably trade.
Yeah, I kind of feel the same way. Like I don't really
Dead
feel
ass. Birthdays are
as-
mad these days.
Yeah, maybe when I was a kid, like I would value it more, but it was like it's another day, man.
If I go crazy till then, like if I make like another 200-300K, I might buy like a watch, but that's it. Nothing crazy at all. But I'm just, bro, I preserve my, like, sometimes, like, I'll maybe spend a little bit, but for the most part, I'm very frugal. Up in here a little bit. Guys, look at the last, what was 209? Look at the last hour of the market. Look at how we traded. That is ridiculous.
Even that 15-minute candle, man, like the last like 4 or 5 15-minute candles.
Lanto, full portrait inversion with your life savings right now.
Hell no.
Is that
No idea this is
financial
gonna
advice?
work, but this is financial advice.
This is gonna reimburse any losses.
Dude, 15-point range on NQ as well. Not ES. Fucking NQ.
Dude, knowing this market, man, it's gonna flip back and forth. Is this the fight? Is this the move where it actually breaks out?
Imagine.
You can't even tell anymore.
What do you do outside of the market in this point in your career? Review. I just do like a recap with the Discord. I go to the gym and that's pretty much it, bro. I would say a lot of free time, so I just try to, I don't know.
Dude, trading's just fun too. That's the thing.
Yeah, main thing right now is like outside of the markets, I just want to get better shape and stuff like that.
Mhm.
But I do have a lot of downtime, yeah. But I'm enjoying the downtime because maybe in a year from now I'm going to be very busy, so I'm going to miss the downtime. So I'm just taking it day by day. I'm not really thinking too far. Right?
He's gonna be very busy running a prop firm. That's what he's just doing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
Hopefully in a year from now, you know, we'll be set for life. That's the goal. Be all crazy, run it up.
Yeah, dude.
I think, bro, if we could match what, like, in terms of scaling from at least for me, from 2022 to 2020 or 2023 to 2024, as for you guys as well, if we could match like the exponential growth next year, bro, it could actually be GG.
Yeah.
GG.
But I've been talking about too. Like he like just use the 5 firms that I've talked about too. Like get the payout on each one of them. Like 200K a month does not sound that far fetched.
Yeah, I think the next approach in terms of props is combining accounts and trading into one.
Yeah.
That's number one, bro. Because bro, you could.
Yeah.
FTT, if there's a possibility, FTT, Top Step.
If FTT can stay for the next few months, they're probably here to stay for a while.
Yeah, that's like the crucial months for them. I feel like.
But their delays, they do pay out a lot, but they've been getting hit with a lot of payout delays lately.
I trained for 2 years and about to turn 22 months. Hell yeah, brother.
Yeah,
20 sounds crazy. Yeah, you unk now, bro. Bro's younger than me.
Yeah, no, you started trading when I started trading, almost essentially.
Yeah, I was like.
Trump will ask you guys, you Tradify yet? Guys, I have Tradify. Lanto, Desi, when do you guys plan, or if you have plans to try them out?
Dude, I haven't conquered Top Step yet. I need to
You're
get.
waiting
I need to get on the
one at a
leaderboard,
time.
bro. And
Okay.
honestly, it's a mental thing for me right now. I need to pick it up on Top Step. There's no reason why I shouldn't be able to be on the tops. Like even top 10, bro. It's only, I'm not gonna say only. It's only like 45K, 50K, bro. On 5 accounts.
Mm-hmm. What are you, Lanto? What would you want to see before you give them a chance? Just like I think
to be honest.
for fast track trading, you're like credit card, I think, and then Tradeovate maybe stuff like that.
I like how they're fast tracks. Like they're pushing competition out, but I think they like for them in order to be mainstream consistently. I think they need a credit card processor. That's like the number one most important thing when it comes to a business. Like you gotta your payment processor. Like you gotta have a proper. You can't just expect everybody to bank wire you. Like people are not gonna be like able to do that or want to do that at certain points. So I think that for FTT, I think what they're doing is all right. It's solid. I'm just not, I don't think I'm unless Tradeify becomes a clear like big firm. Like,
it literally could be. It could be number 4 or number 5.
No,
it could be top 5 at this point. You know, like you remove all the other firms. Apex tops up, and I don't even know. My Fund Futures could be pushed off of number 3 if FTT could keep on pushing like this. But we know number 2, 1 and 2 is probably Apex that tops up just by user and sales.
yeah.
And they're coming up. Like now we have like five contenders, 2 solidified, and then like my Fund Futures and Fast Track Trading has been like kind of competing in payouts right now.
Yep. Oh yeah, I think 2025 the goal is to just combine firms into one and trade one.
Yeah, and there's other firms that I know you guys like. You guys like take prop traders. Some even trade Unox. There's probably others. I think I'll add those 2 as like another opportunities, but a lot of others has been pretty sketchy.
Yeah, I think I might eventually get to MFFU. I don't know. For me, it's just top step Apex
Sage is gone already, by the way. So like you can do it with peace of mind.
Yeah.
Your opposition is gone.
Op is gone.
I don't like. I'm cool with the guy. I don't like what he did in terms of slandering Apex, especially when he slandered like my run on Apex and I had the 40-day win streak. He was like slandering in the comments. He didn't say it was slandering, but bro, you can't like if you have a problem with Apex, you don't comment under my tweet. You go comment to Apex.
Yeah.
And then he's like 20 accounts is unsustainable. The firm's gonna go down. And now you're on a firm that offers 40 accounts. Like bro, come on.
With very competitive price, 55% off, no activation fee. It seems so sustainable already, and a lot of people getting like large payouts with them. I'm just assuming like if they can survive, it's only because there's so many people who are buying these instant funded who shouldn't even touch them because they're just blowing them left and right. And that's the only reason I would think would give them a chance to survive through these prices. The owner of TradeFi scammed before last year at Forex Prop. Brett Simba did? I have no idea of anything that. All I know is some people are sketchy about him being an influencer and stuff like that.
I think guys, sticking to the main 3 is what's most important. That's what I think. If TradeFi like proves himself over, because they're still very new.
They're new. They literally got I think 3 payouts under the belt. They've been around for almost 1 month now. I think maybe 1 full month here. 3-4 payouts already, which is pretty low still, but who knows? Maybe next month they could do like a good numbers. Their Instant Fund has been attracting a lot of people because they have trade rate and they have credit card processors, something that FTT is missing and a lot of people are looking for.
I mean, I wish him the best. As long as he does honest work and he's an honest guy, nothing but the best for him. I just don't think Tradeify. They're a month old, bro. Top Step's what, 13 years old, 12 years old. Like Apex has so much more time on him. 3-4 years old.
Yeah, but people gave FTT a early try when they were like a month or 2 month old. They're only 3 months now. I think 3 or maybe 4 by now. So they're still relatively new as well. But it's because they pay out such good amount. Like they paid 10 million already, maybe 14 by now. So that should be going higher.
Now you know what's cool in time though, CT trade? I saw mine and Brian's payout on Apex. We were like
right next to each other.
Yeah. When I checked the payout page, they're right next to each other. That was pretty cool.
That's our influencer privilege. Like, okay, there's an influencer.
Yeah.
You'll influence. Make sure you prove them at the same time, guys.
Yeah.
Someone's gonna piece that together.
1 extra day, you should be fine, bro. I think. I mean, I don't really know. Brian knows more about Apex, about the mental stop thing. You say, am I gonna get denied? I hate take profit, and I didn't use a stop loss.
I did look at the email. The email did say like there's more conditions because they're watching for live, so like you can't DCA, you can't do something like that. If you got the email, you have to abide by it. But if you didn't, then it's regular.
No way they actually said that. There's no way they actually said that.
I think there's some specifics that I was looking to. One of them was like you can't DCA anymore. You can only not even one time.
Oh. Yeah. I go lie, bro. It's hard to defend him, even though I got stuff resolved that like it's hard to defend them.
Look,
Yeah.
guys, for me, I want to freely trade to closest to a live account as I can, and I don't think Apex provides that.
Yeah,
That's why I don't promote them that much or anything like that. I stick to my funny
Yeah.
futures and
I
Top
mean,
Step for that reason.
I get that stance too. I think my stance is like I'm gonna trade all firms. I'll buy by whatever they want. There's gonna be some firms like let's say Apex and FTT is like kind of what I'm just doing to compound. Other firms like Top Step and maybe my fund future take profit where I'll scale up. So that's just kind of different risk management, different payout policies. Like now I got some firms I'm gonna look for daily payouts. Other firms I'll just go over base hits.
Yep.
Which whatever you guys want to do, it's your choice. Nothing's wrong.
And
nothing's right.
and look, people who talk shit about Apex online or whatever like that, I think it's corny too because you know what you're walking into. So once you walk into it and then it is what you expect, then people start talking
Yeah.
shit about it. I don't think that's cool either. Like read the rules. If you don't like the rules,
Yeah,
simply don't trade it.
It's a business at the end of the day, man. Like just like how
Yeah.
business don't want to, like a restaurant doesn't want to serve someone. Like you gotta wear a shirt, you gotta wear this, you gotta do that. If they don't want DCA, you can't DCA.
Yeah, just literally don't trade it.
I didn't get the email. Okay, if you didn't get the email, then it's the regular rules.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, there's plenty of firms. I think what I would like to say is like don't have a unconditional bias to one single firm, where you would hate on another firm for someone like trying to do both. So if I say like, oh, I trade Apex and FTT, no one should be like saying like quit Apex or quit FTT like because of their bad experience.
Yep.
Just keep your personal feelings aside and just focus on getting the payouts. That's what I have planned. Have you ever got denied for scalping 2 to 4 minutes? I think MyFund Futures and TradeFi has a policy where like if 50% of your trades are like with under like 10 seconds or duration or 10 seconds or a minute or something like that, then that's gonna be overly scalping, like on a lower time. They don't want that. I think something like that. I think I was reading. It was TradeFi who did that. So yeah, just read the rule book. Look at that inversion here though. Inversion pushed up higher, maybe 10 points, take out the high, and just straight back down. This is the theme the whole entire day, guys.
Yeah, it's just been back and forth. All right, boys, I'm gonna hop off. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun.
Damn, I need to log a day on Top Step. I don't even know
I'll
where
talk to you
go
guys. Chat.
yeah.
Catch you guys tomorrow, probably.
Peace out, Brody.
Lance, I need to trade on Top Step. Did you log a day yet?
Me?
Yeah.
My live Top Step. Nah, I'm not trading this. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna risk it.
I
Even though I'd go small risk, but yeah, I'm not touching this.
mean, at least I got my day on Apex, but other accounts, I haven't done it yet. I probably won't touch it today. Today it's just too rough for me. Do you have a screenshot of the email? I'm gonna post it after the stream. I have a lot of people talking about it and a lot of people sending me stuff, so I'll share it. I'll talk about it just right after the stream, most likely. Oh, I want to log a day on FTT, but how do I got? I think they have like they migrated everyone to a new server. I didn't do that yet. Yeah, I really only took one trade today, guys, so far. So we're chilling. The one trade that we took together on stream on ES or NQ, wherever you want to do. This is basically, imagine this. The range is like kind of 20 points back and forth. That we got the whole range essentially. Any other day, this would have been like the most bangers trade.
I probably head off here too as well. I don't have any more interest in trading this. But
Alright, man.
if you guys want to run back, or Brian, if you want to run back, I'll pop on Friday if you want.
Alright, yeah.
Good job, good stuff, guys. Good trade on live stream as well, Brian. In these shitty conditions, like you guys got
Very shitty.
still going 1 for 1 in dog poop conditions. So
Give it to the signal bots too.
yes, sir. For sure, bro. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all. Have a good one.
Alright, I'm probably gonna end it too, guys. Here.
Yep.
1 for 1 today. We'll run it back tomorrow. Join the Discord if you want. I always post trades, any updated prop news, or anything going on in the community. All right, guys. I just said what I need to say. 484 votes. Took a screenshot of that poll too. Join the Discord for updates about deals, Apex deals or prop deals. I mean, any rebates for the community, giveaways, or just trades. I'll be on Discord from here. All right, guys. Have a good one. See you guys tomorrow.